Float the top of the head. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sink the lower body. Feel the weight on the soles of the feet. Relax from head to toe. Close your eyes if you feel safe. It's easier to relax with your eyes closed. If not, allow your eyes to become slightly unfocused. Soften your gaze. Place your attention at the top of your head. Relax the scalp. Feel it soften and release any tension. Feel the forehead relax. Soften the cheeks. Drop the jaw. Throat relaxes, and then the chest. And then the back of the neck. All the muscles in the back. The tight knot in the stomach dissolves. Dissolving tension in the buttocks, back of the legs, front of the legs. Breathing in, float the head. Breathing out, sink the body. Sigh of relief to release stress. Begin lifting the sky. Fingertips turn in as if pressing down. Arms float up overhead. Looking at the hands if our eyes were open, and we press up. And then the arms float down. Breathing in, press up. Breathing out, arms float down. Inhale, lift the sky. Exhale, come back down to earth. Floating up, inhale, press. Exhale, sink. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, sink. Breathing in, breathing out. Lifting the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, concentrate on the breath. Breathing out. Forget about the form. Your hands are just floating up and floating down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. 3 more times. One more time, because it feels so good. Arms float down. Find your center. Sink. Settle. Lifting sun and moon. Arms float up, palms up, elbows back, until they're by the sides of the chest. Then the palms go down and float down the sides of the body. Up the sides of the body, breathe in. Lifting sun and moon. Breathe out. Return to start. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Three more times. Soften the knees. Last time, lifting sun and moon to chest level. Rotate the palms to front. Push out. Lift up with the fingertips. Pull back. Sink the palms a little bit. Breathe in. Breathe out. Push out. Lift the fingertips. Open the chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Open the chest. Push out. One circular motion, like an ellipsis. Inhale. Exhale. Three more times. Slow it down. Leave the palms out in front, fingertips to the sky. Relax the shoulders, relax the elbows, elbows drop. Breathe. Turn the palms to the sky. Relax the shoulders. Relax, relax, relax. Withdraw the palms until they're next to the chest. Top position of holding sun and moon. Then the palms go down and they float down the sides of the body. From here, let's release stress. Soften the knees. Soften the shoulders. Release tension in the back. We're starting to shake the tree. Right now, the trunk is moving. So we're breathing, relaxing, release tension. Shake the arms, the elbows, the forearms, the fingers. Real loose, real loose. Whole body up and down, shaking the tree. Loose, loose, loose. Relax. Of course, it looks ridiculous. We're releasing tension. This is a stress. Release exercise. Come up, flick water off the hands. Flicking water. Come back to center. Loosen the knees. Allow the legs to move. Kick off stress. Soften the knees. Let go. Drift. Allow any remaining tension to come out. Center. Settle. Enjoy the stillness. Enjoy the tranquility. And when you're ready, keep your eyes closed, but warm your palms briskly by rubbing them together. Generate heat through friction, warming at the palms. Place the warm palms over your eyes sending heat into your eyes. Eyes absorbing the heat. Enjoy the darkness and the stillness. And then blink, 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 open your eyes. Lift your palms, allowing more and more light in. Sigh of relief. Hope you enjoyed that session.